The Environmental Protection Agency estimates that Americans spend 90% of their time indoors. Now that number may seem a little high, but if you think about it, it's probably pretty accurate for you as well. It's safe to assume that a lot of people watching this video have never really thought about what's in the air they breathe, and that's okay. You're not the only ones. Unfortunately, indoor air quality is oftentimes overlooked by building owners and facility managers. But what effect does that have on the occupants and the visitors of your building? Would it surprise you to learn that studies conducted by various entities have found that in some cases the air inside a building is actually worse than the air outside? I'm Chris with IFS, and today we're going to look at 3 things you can do to improve the indoor air quality in your building. Maintain HVAC equipment. It can't be stated enough that HVAC equipment, big and small, should be maintained regularly. This maintenance goes beyond simple filter changes. Everything from damper and valve functionality to belts and seals, and even thermostats and sensors all have an impact on the air quality in a building. The occupants in your building rely on the HVAC system for their comfort as well as their health. IFS offers preventative maintenance programs to alleviate this chore from your workload. Ensure proper control. Most buildings with commercial HVAC equipment will have some sort of building automation or control system. These systems have parameters that determine the amount of fresh air being brought into a building. Faulty sensors or peripherals such as damper actuators could cause equipment to not bring in enough fresh air, thus causing the quality of the air in your building to suffer. If you're unsure about how your BAS is responsible for your building's air quality, contact our automation department for assistance. Plan ahead. When it's time for you to remodel part or all of your building, consider the air quality implications. Coordinate with your tenant improvement contractor, such as IFS, who will be working in your building, and determine their plans to limit occupant exposure to dirt, dust, and other chemicals during the renovation process. Tenant improvement work can be quite messy, especially if parts of your building are staying occupied during the process. So once work is complete, be sure to change your filters, as they will likely need it.